Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1996 C4 Corvette LT1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. Currently has 157,440 miles on it. Oil pressure right at 40 psi. This is the 300 horsepower LT1 engine. It's currently mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and rev it up here. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.